Hey guys, Brad Danger here. And what if I told you that there are cars on the road right now with 200, 300, even 400,000 miles that their owners refuse to sell? Not because they're worth a ton of money, not because they're rare, because they just won't die. No major breakdowns, no horror stories, no engine just blew up on the freeway moments. Just oil changes, basic maintenance, and they keep showing up every single day. Today, we're counting down the 10 most reliable cars. People that hold on to them way longer than they should. And trust me, number one is exactly what you think it is. But the ones in the middle, those are the ones people sleep on. So like, subscribe so we can hit 2 million subscribers this year. And number 10 is the Toyota Avalon. I know what you're thinking, grandpa car. Exactly, because the Avalon is what happens when Toyota builds a car for people who don't care about trends. They care about zero problems. Under the hood, you've got a 3.5 liter V6 that is basically the same bulletproof setup you'll find in the Camry and Lexus ES. It's smooth, under-stressed, and barely working in normal driving. That's the key. This car is never pushed hard. It lives an easy life, and when a machine is constantly operating below its limits, it lasts. You'll find Avalons with 300,000 miles still driving like nothing ever happened. And the craziest part, most owners don't even think about replacing them. They just keep driving. Number 9, Honda Fit. This thing is tiny, but it refuses to quit. The magic of the Fit is simplicity. Small, naturally aspirated engine, manual or traditional automatic, lightweight chassis, no unnecessary complexity. And then you've got the packaging. Honda somehow made this little car insanely practical. So people use it for everything, daily driving, hauling stuff, road trips, city abuse, and it just takes it. The engine is barely stressed, yet parts are cheap, and every mechanic in the country knows how to fix one. You'll see Fits with 200,000 miles still being driven like they're brand new. Not because people can't afford to upgrade, because they don't need to. Number 8. Lexus ES350. This is one of the most underrated long-term ownership cars on the planet. It's basically a luxury Camry, but built with even more attention to detail. Same idea, naturally aspirated V6, proven transmission, no crazy experimental tech, but Lexus takes it further. Better materials, better assembly, less wear over time. This is the car people buy when they're done dealing with problems. And the result, you'll find owners with 250,000 miles saying the same thing over and over. It still drives like new. Not exaggerating, that's why they don't sell them. Number 7, Toyota Prius. And before you click off, hear me out. The Prius might be one of the most misunderstood cars when it comes to reliability because people hear hybrid and think complicated, expensive, risky, but Toyota engineered this system to be stupidly durable. The transmission isn't even a traditional transmission. It's a planetary gear set with fewer moving parts. Less friction, less failure. The engine is barely working because the electric motor shares the load. And regenerative braking means your brake components last forever. There are Priuses out there with 300,000 miles on the original hybrid battery. That's insane. Taxi drivers don't use these because they're cool. They use them because they don't brake. Yo guys, quick pause because this is super important. The giveaway is live right now and we're giving away this fully built, dripping in carbon Supra. 4 months in the making. And guys, it is the Tuner Hero spec, plus a Shelby GT350 with an exhaust that sounds absolutely ridiculous. So, if you want to win, you've got a decision to make. Do you get the JDM Legend or do you get the American Icon? And guys, for a limited time, every purchase that you make on the site, which is pinned in the first comment down below, you get 2,000 bonus entries to win one of these cars plus bonus cash, hat, shirt, entry pack, it don't matter. That's 2,000 extra chances on top. And Rocky from New York grabbed a quick entry pack last time and walked away with a GTR plus bonus cash. So yeah, it definitely happens. And we're running it back with 2 cars. So which one you picking? Let me know in the comments down below and go get entered as well. And good skill. Number 6, Honda Accord with the K Series or J Series. This is where things start getting serious. The Accord is one of those cars where Honda just nailed the formula, especially the older ones with the K24 4-cylinder or the J Series V6. Simple, proven, overbuilt. The K Series is legendary for a reason. It can take abuse, high mileage, missed oil changes, and still keep going. And the J Series, that engine has powered everything from family sedans to performance cars, and it just keeps delivering. The key here is that Honda produced these engines in massive numbers. That means every issue got discovered and fixed fast. Parts are everywhere. Knowledge is everywhere. And owners they just don't let them go. You'll see 200,000 mile Accords still being daily driven like it's nothing. Number 5, Toyota Camry. Yeah, you knew this was coming, but there's a reason it's on every list like this. Because it works. The Camry is the definition of boring done right. No unnecessary risk, no wild engineering experiments, just proven components refined over decades. The engines are under stress, the transmissions are durable, the electronics are simple, and Toyota builds these things at such scale that any flaw gets eliminated quickly. There's a reason you see Camrys everywhere, and there's a reason you see old Camrys everywhere. People don't sell them. They pass them down. They keep them as backup cars. They run them into the ground, which takes forever. Number 4, Lexus LS430. Now, we're getting into legend territory. This car is one of the most overbuilt sedans ever made. Period. Back in the early 2000s, Lexus was in a war with Mercedes and BMW, and they decided to win by making the most refined, durable car possible. The result? An engine and transmission combo that is massively over-engineered. The V8 is smooth, powerful, and barely stressed in daily driving. The build quality is ridiculous. Materials that don't wear out, electronics that don't glitch constantly. Owners routinely take these past 300,000 miles. And here's the crazy part. Even at that mileage, they still feel solid. Doors close like a vault. Interior still holds up. This isn't just reliable, it's built like a tank. Number 3, Ford Crown Victoria, or basically anything on the Panther platform. This is the car that police departments, taxi companies, and government fleets trusted for decades. And those guys do not care about style. They care about durability. Body-on-frame construction, simple V8, basic transmission, easy to repair everything. This car was designed to run all day, every day, under abuse. And it does. You'll find Crown Vics with 400,000 miles still in service. Parts are cheap, repairs are easy, and because it's so simple, there's just less that can go wrong. That's why people keep them, not because they're exciting, because they're dependable. Number 2, Toyota Land Cruiser. This one almost feels unfair because Toyota didn't build this for comfort. They built it for survival. The Land Cruiser is designed for some of the harshest environments on Earth, places where breaking down isn't an inconvenience, but it's dangerous. So everything is overbuilt. The engine, the cooling system, the drivetrain, the suspension, all designed to handle way more than the average owner will ever throw at it, which means when you use it as a normal daily driver, it's barely working. There are Land Cruisers out there with 400, 500,000 miles still going strong. And owners, they don't sell them. They hold on to them like assets because replacing it with something as durable is almost impossible. And finally, number 1, Toyota Corolla. Of course, this is the car, the one that just refuses to die. The Corolla has been refined over decades into one of the simplest, most reliable machines ever built. Small engine, low stress, proven transmission, minimal complexity. Everything about it is designed to last, and it shows. You'll see Corollas with 300,000 miles still being driven daily, not as a backup, as someone's main car, because it still works. It always works. It's cheap to maintain, easy to fix, parts everywhere. There's no drama, and that's exactly why people never get rid of them, because once you own one, you realize something. You don't need anything else. And that's the idealist. If you buy smart, avoid overcomplicated junk, and stay on top of basic maintenance, you can own a car like this, a car that doesn't stress you out, doesn't surprise you with a massive bill, doesn't leave you stranded. It just shows up every single day. And honestly, that might be the most underrated feature a car can have. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit that subscribe button so we hit 2 mil this year. And, well, like, subscribe, hit me up in the comments and let me know what you guys think about this list. Check out some of these ideal vids over here. Go to winthisIdealCar.com to get entered to win your dream car plus cash. I'm Brad Danger, this is Ideal, and promise me one thing, keep living the ideal lifestyle.